Well, we made it back to the property.
Everything's content.
Oh, everything's content. Babe, what are we doing today?
Going crazy.
Well, you always drive me crazy. I always drive you crazy. That's my job.
I'm gonna put up a sale sign for you.
For sale sign?
No, just take them for free.
I see how it is. I see how it is. What did we do yesterday?
I don't remember.
Wow. Wow.
We went to go help a friend.
Yeah.
A friend in need.
So, when do you go help? Trailer's all loaded up. Actually stopped off here in town. So, Miss Mama V can get some other things she needed from the hardware store. But I didn't take any video at the mill itself because we were not there for us, but I did have a chance to talk to the owner, and I think I put him onto a new venture deal of making some money, and he's pretty happy about that. So hopefully it will work out for him, and we'll be back in contact because we'll definitely be back there again. Didn't record nothing. I know it. That's all right. We got done helping out Miss Mama V, getting all her lumber, which I showed that. I did record just a little bit.
Yeah.
But while we're here in town, we stopped off at the old S&W that we've seen so much. And
yeah.
What did we grab?
A post.
A post for?
For you to dance on.
Woohoo! It got me a pole to dance on.
No. For electricity.
Yep.
The light pole.
Got our electricity pole. So
yep.
Now it's back to town. Go pick up the kiddo.
And the fur baby.
And the fur baby.
Yeah.
She's gonna be
so drowsy.
Not gonna be liking us too much, but
I got her some soft food anyways. So.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, let's get back to town. So went to go help out friend in need. Went over to Possum Run Homestead. Picked up Mama V. Went and helped her get some of her lumber that she needed, and that was gifted to her, for her cabin. So I only have like a few little snippets of recording. That day was more about her, not about us.
Yep.
And now we are here. So I was going to do some oil changes this morning, but they're also been burning a lot of the forest land, national forest land. So it was really smoky. Kind of like here now.
The universal sign, go over there.
So we basically have one other thing that we need to do today before we can bring the RV over, and we're trying to do that this Saturday, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Because we have no rain. We've had no rain, and rain is in the forecast for
say a little prayer for us.
Saturday. So yeah, we're hoping that it does hold off long enough that we can get the RV over here. But there is some work that needs to be done, so let's head to the front of the property.
Yay!
And we're back to the front of the property. Woohoo! So you see Gladys laying down a little area for the kiddo and for Willow, since she had her surgery.
Yep.
She can't be really out and about.
Nope.
And we do have her in like a little body wrap thing.
Yep.
That will help with.
Someone is messaging me. Who can it be? I don't know.
That's okay. We're not monetized anyway.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Hi, Willow.
All right. We're ready.
Hi, Yaya.
There's beats.
We about ready to go to the back of the truck?
Sure.
All right.
It's all right over here. Or you're gonna get her leash.
I think if it's closed, it'll be fine.
Okay. All right. That's what we'll do then. We'll close it. Okay.
What will come up here?
Then they're not gonna feel the wind, are they? I'll be fine.
It's not really breezy.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, get her.
I'm waiting on
Oh,
you,
Jesus Christ. Well, I didn't know.
Out of the record.
Hello. Say hi, and
try to get her to record stuff, and she's not.
Ah, ha, ha, ha.
Willow's out in here.
Yep, Willow's about to come in here.
You ready?
Got the tarp ready.
You gonna help me?
Yeah, it's going to play with Willow.
I'm sitting here waiting.
Yep, waiting.
Come on.
Willow!
You can't sit. You can't sit. You can't sit.
Did she
You
pee?
gotta help me here.
Okay,
No,
she
she
did.
hasn't peed. She just wants to lay down.
Come on, Willow.
Makes it much harder.
Come on, baby girl. What's going
She
on?
can't be jumping out of the truck.
No, she can't. Come on, baby girl.
It's much harder on me.
Come on. I don't want to leave her at home either.
Yeah. You ready?
She's ready.
She's like, I'm ready,
Okay.
but I want to jump out.
I know you want to
Please,
jump.
Daddy.
I know you want to jump.
Come here, Willow. Come here, girl.
You're not helping.
Come here, girl. Just
I know you don't. She doesn't like me carrying her either. That's the problem.
no. She's like, I'm not a lap doggy, Daddy. I'm a big girl.
I know you're a big girl. You're heavy.
There we go. Come on.
Oh yeah. I got you.
76 plus pounds.
Yeah.
Here's coming
We
Willow.
can't leave her at home. Go ahead, baby girl. Get on up there. There you go.
There you
Get her
go.
some water, please. We're gonna get
Man.
you some water, girl. Hi, baby. You got some snacky snacks too. Yeah. Say, wait, what am I doing here? Just a nice little band. That's all it is. All right. Good
I'm
girl.
giving you a little at a time.
Please don't puke up in here.
Someone likes to throw up their water when they drink too much.
Put the ding post.
All right, let's get to work.
All right.
Can you put the ding post with me?
All right, so what needs to happen is obviously this log will get moved during that day that we're going to do stuff, but I need to get that post out. All of these rocks kind of needs to come out, and along with all of this vine all the way up to this T-post that's in there. So would have been nice to have the tractor be able to come to kind of help do this, but not gonna happen because we don't have a trailer available to move it. And what's sad is I can hear the road grader. As you can see, the road got graded. I can hear it working up around the corner down there. And it would have been nice if we could have caught him in time to make one pass to scrape all this out, along with our entrance over there. Would have made it easy work of this like that, but now we got to do it the hard way. All right, we're gonna attempt to pull this out. I don't think it's gonna happen, but I can't do it by myself.
So you brought the big muscles.
So I'm breaking out the big guns. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to go get a T-post or the jack, Farmall jack. I call it T-post puller because that's what I've been using it for.
All right. You from the bottom, mine from the top, or you from the top, I'm from the bottom.
You're short, so I'll go high.
Ready?
No.
One, two, three. It's coming. Up, it's coming. Coming. It's coming. Oh. Oh. Hey, you brought a knot out.
Yeah.
Right there.
Whew.
It's a boy.
It's a boy. Hey. Let me get another grip.
All right, give me a second. Ready?
Nope.
Set, go. There goes. There's vines growing off of it.
Of course there are. Oh my goodness.
Need a break. Need a beer. A Corona with some lime.
Whew.
Please. And thank you.
Well, we would have to take a trip to the city.
Courtesy
County we live in doesn't serve alcohol.
Send help. Would like 24 count Corona. Is on the right.
Yep, camera's on the right.
Ow.
So boom, there we go, y'all.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom. Right there.
Boom shaka. We should have
What do we do again?
enough opening to bring the RV in
Woo! We cut some vines down.
and cut some vines, cut some trees,
Took a big old post out.
move some rocks. And that post kicked my butt. I even got a battle scar on my arm.
Probably gave us some hernias.
Yeah, well, you already got one of those. You're getting it taken care of, so you'll be all right.
Jesus Christ.
The surgery's already set in stone.
Yeah.
It's inked in.
Horrible.
It's getting fixed.
Stop. Well, yeah. All right. So, what's in store for tomorrow? Taking over the world again?
Always taking over the world. I don't know.
Okay. It's almost time to pick up the kiddo.
We do have some branches and stuff we need to move so we can put the other tent in place.
Yep, definitely.
That will be the tasker, and that will probably end up being Monday's video.
Yeah, we got to burn some stuff because
Of course.
Mama's coming.
Pyro.
Mama's coming. She's coming. And
I know.
she's bringing bins of things.
Yep.
And they need to go somewhere.
That's why we got to put up the other tent.
Yeah. She's probably going to fill up the whole tent. Like,
Probably.
no, she won't. Or who knows?
Who knows?
All right. Well,
Anyway, we're going to go ahead and let y'all go.
well, until next time.
Remember to always thank a veteran.
Out of your chest again, not only on
Veterans Day.
Woohoo.
And we'll see y'all on the next one.
Bye.
There you go.